one. That's an image of the first flight of the Airbus. And this is one of the 4 airplanes that we have had during the development of the airplane. We have had 2 airplanes without a cabin and 2 airplanes with a cabin, because we recognize that it's very important to work for all the issues related to passenger comfort. So we have had 2 airplanes with no cabin in this one. The layout that you see on this airplane. We go behind the bar. The layout of this airplane. Comfortability, what can be available, and comfort you'll ever satisfy. Further away from the wind, further away from the wind. Upstairs is about white. We have created this medical corner where there's a stretcher, there's the defibrillator, there's a direct communication with hospital. You can establish a direct communication with hospital, so you can have telediagnosis. You can be sending down to the hospital electrocardiogram, blood pressure, whatever. You can have a physician downstairs, down the ground, will be specifically trained flight crews or cabin crews on dealing with the earnest. So you can actually determine, or the physician down on the ground can determine whether it's really serious or not serious, or where you need to divert, because on an airplane this size, diverting is a serious issue.
Yeah, sure.
You're going to be landing in the middle of nowhere with 500 passengers, so we can really avoid it. No, you cannot. But what airplanes may not have it. We can do a huge flight. Well, he says he talked about the ocean of the forest. Now this is of course it was very well organized and everything was done in the order of 18 minutes to 20 minutes. Very good. It's wide like for 2 people, eh? We can fit 2 people going up or down.
So you can have a wedding here.
Yeah, exactly. You're going to be seeing a lot.